Hey everyone, welcome back to Principles of Increase. Thank you for taking a moment to check out my new video. Hopefully this will be the first of many. I've been recording a little bit on my Instagram account, but I wanted to come back to YouTube because I just felt like it was something that I needed to do. For those of you who have followed Principles of Increase, my blog, you might notice that you haven't heard from me for a while. I've taken down a lot of videos from my channel, and that's because I am in a new phase of life. I've already had, I think it's almost been 4 years, like a 4-year break, and I'm not going to go into all the details now. I just wanted to record like this I'm back, hello everyone video. Thank you for waiting for me, thank you for coming back, just as kind of like a bookmark to say I promised I would get in front of the camera again and I would start recording videos again. So I'm delighted to share with you, not in super duper detail, just some things that are going on and some changes that I've experienced. For those of you who have followed my blog, Principles of Increase, or maybe you follow me on Instagram under Principles of Increase, you know that I have had my world shaken up in the last 4 years. And so that explains why I've been absent so long. My hope is to come back and just share my heart with you, share some testimonies with you, because a lot of people gave me great feedback when I was going through things like getting out of debt, investing in real estate, being my kids' momager in entertainment and acting. I got a lot of great feedback. People were really inspired. They were curious. They were learning things. So I want to bring that element back because I really miss interacting with my audience. I really miss that ability to just inspire people on a massive scale. So just really quick, what has changed in my world? For one, I'm divorced. I'm about 4 years into separation/divorce. And then I moved from Chicago. You all know I was like a diehard Chicago fan, and I still really enjoy and appreciate my beautiful city. But because of some different circumstances, I decided to move and relocate. Lived in Florida for a year. And then I'm actually living on the island of Puerto Rico, and I have plans to venture out into other areas of Latin America, some other islands, hoping to live a somewhat digital nomad life. I am hoping that I will be able to retire early. Right now, I'm kind of like work optional-ish, so I'm getting closer to that goal. Because of divorce and some circumstances surrounding the divorce, I have some financial some goals to catch up on, and so I'll be sharing that and hopefully inspiring everyone. And yeah, that's it for right now. I'll go into more detail with other videos, but I wanted to get in front of the camera, one, again, because I said I would do it, and then two, just to say, hey guys, I'm back. Nothing tragic has happened to me, although some kind of hard things have happened. I'm happy to say that I'm like a phoenix rising from the ashes. So I'm coming back. I'm excited to share these next journeys that I'm going to be embarking on, which of course I'll still have my girls, raising kids, becoming financially fit, financially stable, and hopefully just showing some fun and some travel sprinkled in between. So thank you all again for those who have been following me on Instagram, those who maybe, if you know, I have a Twitter account to Increase Laws, and those of you who have purchased some of my digital products. I really appreciate your patience as I kind of got everything together, and I just look forward to spending more time with you and inspiring you more, and just letting you know that no matter what happens in life, whatever setbacks you may experience, whatever obstacles, challenges, you are able to overcome. And of course, as a Christian, I'm going to be throwing God up all up in the mix, because that is the way that I've gotten through. So hopefully I can inspire you to use the Word of God and the hope and the inspiration and the power of God to do the same in your life. So thanks again for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you all again soon.